and once you just click on it and apply, if you get through, you would earn $108 from this product. If you are seeking to start a side hustle but do not know where to get started, here's a side hustle that you can get started from the comfort of your home. The only thing that you need is your smartphone and very good internet connection. The name of the platform is Join Brands. Just a disclaimer, I've been using this platform for the past few months, so all my experience is based on what I have done and the results that I have seen. So let's get into the video and see if you like it. Alright, so here we are on the very main page. So as you can see, videos from $60 up, images from $15 up. So you can read this in your own time. It's basically an influencer platform or a user generated content creator platform, as you see right there. Up here, let me show you. These are the types of things that you will be asked to do, whether creating a TikTok video, doing a how-to video, unboxing, product review, product demo. And regarding images, take a selfie with the product, do a product demo, take a lifestyle shot, do a product only photo. Those are the things. And here are some of the platforms or businesses that they have partnered with. These are just a few of them. So you can see right here, the platform is accessed currently by over 100,000 creators. And these are some of the ideas of content that people do. You can watch them and become familiar with how to create certain types of photos. So guys, as I said, don't worry. So here it says 100,000 plus US based content creators ready to make branded UGC. So as I was saying to you, don't worry about the US based part, because as long as you have a US shipping address, you should be fine. All right, so for you, what you are going to do is you are going to come here where it says become a creator. Do not go here where it says log in as a brand. You're not a brand, you're a creator. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on become a creator. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page, and when you reach this page where it says love creating content, get paid for it, earn for shooting authentic images and videos for brands looking for real people, become a creator. So this is the page that it will take you to, and you are going to go ahead and click on become a creator. And it is going to take you right to this page. Sign up for free. Guys, sign up for free. I've heard some persons saying that it is asking them to pay money. I am not aware of that, because when I was signing up, it did not ask me for any money. And as you see right here, it says sign up for free. So if you are signing up and you see that you are being asked for money, you might be signing up as a brand instead of a creator. So you just want to go ahead and go back to the part where it says I'm a creator and select that. So when you go ahead and click I'm a creator, it's going to take you to a page where it's asking you to sign up. So you're going to use your Gmail or your whatever email address that you're comfortable with. You are going to use it to sign up. And guys, look at this. How to video, $60. Product demo photos, $20. These are the kind of things that you will be exposed to. So if I click on I'm a creator, it's going to take me right to my page. So let me go ahead and go to my portfolio. Let me go ahead and refresh. Alright, so now that it's refreshed, as you can look to the top right corner up here, you'll see that I have $162.25. That is not the total amount that I earned anyway, but I'll show the breakdown later. So you can see the types of contents that you can choose from, whether images, videos, TikTok shop videos, Amazon videos, Instagram reels, YouTube shorts. There are so many things that you can choose from. They have what is called the express jobs, and these are jobs that pay $5, but the only reason you really do them is for you to get certified quickly. So you can look through to see the different types of jobs that are available on your own time, that is. But for now, let me go ahead and show you what it is that you'll need to do next. So step 2 is for you to get certified. So once you're on the platform, you're going to come where you see your photo right up to the top right corner, and you are going to click on your photo, and then you are going to see some different options when you click on it. But the one that you are going to click on first is this one right here that says certification. Now, as you can see from over this side of the page, there are 13 certificates. When I just signed up, there were only 12 certificates, and I managed to get 10 out of the 12 certificates. But recently they added TikTok shop to it, so it's now 13 certificates. So for those of you who are able to get certified in TikTok shop, you go ahead. Now, speaking about certified, let me take it slowly. So The first set of certifications are for people who are considered influencers. So if you have a TikTok account and you have over 50 videos posted on your TikTok account, you can go ahead and apply for the certificate and you will get through. Let me take you to it so you can see what it looks like. So these are the type of videos that you'll be expected to post on your TikTok account. Don't worry, you'll do everything at your own pace. And as you can see, I am certified in TikTok. Let me go back. The next certification that I'm certified in is YouTube. So I can accept any jobs from a brand that requires for the product to be posted on YouTube. And as you can see right here, you have Instagram Reels. So if you're a person who posts Instagram Reels, when you get certified in Instagram Reels, you will see jobs that are available that you can apply for to be posted on Instagram. Then you have Amazon shoppable videos, and these are for Amazon influencers. So this is the next section. It is the photo section. So you have to be certified in 4 different types of photos. Number 1, the selfie with the product. And as you can see right here, this is just a casual photo of me standing right there with a bottle of gummies. The second one is a product demo. So you just show how someone would use the product if they bought it. The third one is a lifestyle shot, and you basically just do a little cute photo of you using the product. And the last one is a product only photo. So you basically just put the product by itself and take a photo of it. The next thing is the video categories. So the only thing I did was I showed myself unboxing a product, and that is for the unboxing section. So there's a difference between unboxing a product versus showing how to use the product. And then there is a product review. So you give a testimony basically of how you felt after using the product. And the next one is a product demo video, and this is where you show your audience how it is that the product is supposed to be used. Then that is basically it. Now after you get certified in as much of these certificates that you can, the next thing that you want to do is that you want to go ahead and start applying for jobs. And guys, don't worry, you can start applying for jobs while you are doing your certificates. You don't really have to wait until you get all your certificates to start applying for jobs. So let's go back to the jobs. So you are going to go ahead, if you're on your laptop, you would just go up here and click marketplace. If you are using your phone, you would just go up to your photo and you will see the marketplace option pop up on there on your phone. So once you're on the marketplace, what you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and select only available, and this will show you the jobs that are available to you specifically. So instead of showing you every job that is available on the platform, it will show you the jobs that you are qualified to apply for. Here are some ideas. They have express jobs, these are jobs that you complete quickly so that you can upgrade your level. The next thing down here is where the money is at. So guys, look at this. Just for taking a selfie with a product, you would earn $15, just like that. So this is what it would look like. So this product, it is a yeast infection liquid, and what they want you to do is just to take a selfie with the product, and in the selfie you would have a dog in it. So if you are a pet lover and you have a dog, you can go ahead and apply for this. What you'll need to do is click on apply for this job. Now let me give you a breakdown of what you are seeing down here in the earnings section. So you have 2 things. This job, it is called a product reimbursement job, meaning that you would buy the product, and then after you complete the job, the brand will refund you the money, and don't worry, you will get your money. I got back all the money that I've ever used on the platform, but don't worry yourself too much. There are jobs on here that are cheaper than $21. I'm going to show you, and how much you would earn on the content, which is you would take in the picture. You would earn an additional $15. So that will make the overall amount that the brand will send back to you $36.95. And it gets better and better and better. And look at the different types of products that are on there. There's earphone. Over here is a daily dad's joke calendar. There are supplements, there are apps, there are so many things that you can choose from. If you are a girly that loves the facial this and that, look at this. There are things like face mask that you can just take a photo with, and you earn $15 just by taking taking the photo. Guys, this is the most exciting platform that I've come across. Look at this, a fruit rolls, and once you just click on it and apply, if you get through, you would earn $108 from this product. So you would only pay $24 and you make $108 on top. The brand will send you back $132.99. How much more better does it get for someone who does not need to have any prior experience, any prior knowledge? You learn as you go along. So the next thing that you want to focus on after you apply for a few jobs, let me give you an example of what it will look like when you apply. So say I'm interested in this product. And look at this, not all the products on there are products that you will be reimbursed for. Some of the products, they will just ship it directly to you. So this one will be shipped to you. So if I saw this and I liked it, the only thing that I'd need to do is to go ahead and click on apply for the job. I'm not going to apply for this one based on the requirements because I'm not the best videographer. Alright, so see this headache ice pack right here. Let me go ahead and apply for it. So for this job, the only thing you need to do is to take a picture of yourself wearing the ice pack on your face, and they will give you $4 to compensate for shipping and taxes. They will reimburse you the $29.97 that you will use to pay for the product, and on top of that you will earn $25 for submitting the photo. So in all, this brand will send you $58.97. Now the only thing you're going to do is just click on apply for this job, and then if it is a reimbursement job, this will pop up. You'll click I agree to the reimbursement policy and you click confirm. After that, you just go right back to the marketplace and continue applying for projects that you may like. Oh, here's another one. I like this. It is a serum. And again, now the difference between this one and the one that I was on before is that this one would be shipped directly to me. So all I have to do is just to go and click on apply for this job. Now let me tell you something. On this platform, you're not just going to apply for one job and you get through instantly. You have to apply to as much as you can. Do not get demotivated if you apply and you don't see brands reaching back out to you. That is completely common. You might even apply for, let's say, 50 jobs and you only get 1 or 2 out of the 50. Do not feel bad, and remember, you can always go on TikTok and see people, real life people that are working with this brand, and get some ideas, some tips, and all of that from them. They will assist you freely, and when I say assist, I mean you can watch the videos that they post, because that is what I basically did. Nobody helped me to get through with this platform. I just sat down, I watched a few videos, and then I just started playing with the keyboard. Let me go on my dashboard and show you what I've been doing on the platform so far. So on the platform you have different levels. So you have the starter level, you have level 2, and you have level 3. Alright, so for level 1, you are able to do up to 5 jobs at a time, and you can choose infinite free products at $5, and those are the express jobs. You can only do reimbursement jobs at this level. Okay, so for level 2, you can choose up to 10 jobs. So level 2 is much better than level 1, obviously. You can choose up to 10 jobs at a time and do it. And you can go ahead and read the instructions to reach at level 2. It is kind of easy to me, and it is much better being that, your earnings for the images, it would go up by 50%. Your earnings for the videos, it would go up by 50%. And then there is the elite level, which is level 3, where you can have up to 30 jobs at a time. How good is that? So for me, I am currently at level, let me go back to myself. I am currently at level 2. The next thing is your portfolio. Your portfolio is extremely important. The thing about it is that the more completed your portfolio is, the more likely you are to get jobs. Okay, so currently inside my wallet, I am supposed to get $104 in a reimbursement, and I earned $58 overall. You can see May 16, May 8, all of the jobs that I did were between April to this May, and I wasn't really pushing it. I have not really been pushing it. So you can imagine if I was supposed to push it. So I decided to wait until I'm doing the video to do the withdrawal, so you guys can see what the whole withdrawal process is like. Alright, so if you have reached this far in the video, it means that you have come a far way. So, if you are here for the competition, stick around. If you're not, you can skip out this part of the video. So, clue number 3 is you need to list any 3 remote work from home jobs that I've mentioned in previous videos. Any 3 remote work from home jobs that I mentioned in the past. And then after that, you need to watch the video to the end to help you with the final question, which is going to be question number 4. And remember, the first 3 subscribers to answer the questions correctly will earn themselves a gift of $20 each. So guys, I am waiting on your answers. Be in the first 3 subscribers, guys. Be in the first 3. Now let the games continue. By the way, the withdrawal methods, let me show you that before I go anywhere else. So the withdrawal method, you can only use PayPal. So PayPal is what I'll use. And also, before I forget, they have an affiliate program. So if you have friends that are interested in using the platform, you can send your link to them and let them sign up as well. I hope some of you used my link as I had indicated earlier on in the video. If you didn't, that's totally fine, by the way. Now let us go back to the fun part, withdrawing the money. I really wanted to do this earlier, but I was waiting on you guys. Alright, so it will show you your PayPal email right there, and look at what it says. It may take from 1 to 5 business days for your money to be reflected in your PayPal account. Now let us go ahead and click confirm, and that is it right there. All the monies have been sent to my PayPal account. Now for the earnings, let us go ahead and do the same. Ready, set, click, confirm. That felt good. So I am currently back to square one. There it is. There it is right there. And let me go ahead and refresh my PayPal so that you guys can see it. I sent this payment like 2 days ago and it is here. So here it is. They sent me a payment of $58. Now let me go over to the next tab to show you the next amount that they sent me. Here it is. Yes, so this one is $104. Let me go ahead and refresh my PayPal again. Guys, trust me, this website, it is literally one of the few websites that you can just pick up your phone and just start doing something and you get paid for it.